Look at this. There's 2,083 members in my trading group. I want to give a few shout outs to my trading group. CBC, thank you so much. I'm up $13,000 this week. Your group's amazing. I made $47,000 in April because of your setups. This person's up 2,400, 1,500, 647%. This person doubled my money after a phone call that we had just yesterday. This person said, I woke up and I had 73% gains in data. Thank you. I woke up with 58% gains while I was sleeping. Another $1,000. That's $4,000 in 7 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button, trying to get a like spike going, 1,000 likes a video. That's the goal. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, why not? If you're trying to make a ton of money in this market, I will keep you updated daily on all the important news, topics, different trading strategies, technical analysis, everything that's going to make you very profitable in the cryptocurrency space. Jumping right into the market today in crypto, sideways. Overall market cap of cryptocurrency, $263 billion. Bitcoin at 94.28. This is a Bitcoin 12-hour chart. Just want to go over this with you because essentially right now, Bitcoin is putting in a series of lower highs, which is bearish. So you've got your high and then your next high is lower because the bulls couldn't push it up higher than the last high. Then another lower high essentially is forming. However, the bulls need to step up and put in a high up here above this resistance level. 10,000, 10,500 is actually where it needs to happen. Now, this lower trend line drawn, and you've got about 8 days before we're going to see some type of move. Potentially it happens sooner as far as a big move coming. Now, you got possible hidden bearish divergence, which occurs in a downtrend and just means that the trend is going to continue lower. The downtrend is going to continue. So it's an idea for continuation of this short-term downtrend as far as these lower highs go. So if we zoom in and we look at these vertical lines, every time this vertical line is marked here, this is where the RSI was overbought. And you can see RSI overbought, pullback, RSI overbought, small pullback, RSI overbought, pullback, RSI overbought. Then you got rising wedges, rising wedges, rising wedges. 68% chance of a break to the downside. Boom, boom. Pair that with the fact that you got a possible bearish MACD cross. RSI is leaving overbought. So again, there's a lot of bearish ideas as far as a short-term move to this lower trend line. Now I want to see how the price action reacts to this trend line right here. Like, is this the bottom? Are we going to put in, is this more of a bull pennant than a bearish descending triangle? Will be 64% chance of a break to the downside, and that would be, considering we get a move down here. But if this trend line holds, would kind of put in more of a bullish type situation as far as this being a bullish pennant and a continuation pattern. So again, this next swing is going to be important to watch for Bitcoin. I got to give a shout out to a couple people in my trading group. This person stated, I thought you should know, I just traded my way into exactly 1 Bitcoin. And this person said after the March 12th crash, I only had $300 left. So he's up to 9,500 from 300 bucks. Life-changing money. This is pretty epic to have this type of influence on people in my trading group. This person stated, shout out to John Witt. He said 150% gains in the last 11 days. If you're sitting in a coin that's not moving and you're not making any money, listen, your money's stale, right? You got to be in the right coins. This is Cartesi. And I had not really heard of this project. I was familiar with it because it's on Binance and there's a bunch of news on it. What's cool here is news is starting to move these coins. This is a smaller cap coin. I think it's like $7 million, so it doesn't take a whole lot to move it. Their operating system for a scalable, decentralized applications is what they're creating. And they had came out with this little game, and they had some little minor news. And of course, I posted the setup, and it popped immediately. I posted it this morning, and then it popped right after. But what I want to show you here is buying the breakout is one way to trade this market. You know, it's safer. It's definitely, if you're starting out, it's like the training wheels of crypto. But you can buy the bounces of the lower trend line, especially of falling wedges, because this is a bullish pattern. Like 68% chance of a break to the upside. Then when they do break down to the downside, you definitely know how to limit your losses and have your stop loss type beneath here. But just as an idea, you know, there are multiple ways to enter these trades in this market. I gave you guys Storm yesterday. I had a couple people email me. That meant a lot. You know, people up a couple $100 off of YouTube, and you can see Storm is up 21%. So nice, solid profits there. Anonymous Bitcoin whale has been linked to major crypto sell-offs. He's reappeared now. Dun dun dun. A Bitcoin whale who seems to emerge right before these huge sell-offs just received 6,000 Bitcoin worth $56 million in his wallet. A lot of people do not think he is an exchange, because the way he gets his crypto normally comes into the wallet pretty slow and then gets sold off. So this gentleman, Capo, on Twitter stated he went back through and essentially marked exactly when these previous occasions were, as far as this large amounts of Bitcoin getting sent to this wallet and when they were sold. And you can see you had, you know, quite a few occasions where it meant big sell-offs after the move of the Bitcoin to the wallet. So again, people are saying, hey, this is more likely an investor or a fund preparing to sell. Whale dump ready. Man. I mean, would this show confluence with the idea of this being a local top? And essentially what the bulls need to worry about is making sure this lower trend line holds. This support level down here breaks 8,500. Bulls are in trouble. You know, there's a good possibility we see 7,000 or 6,800 here. So Bitcoin's massive accumulation phase shows where the price is headed. This person's bullish, obviously, and thinks, hey, we're about to take off and run up to 17,000. And yeah, let's go. I'm ready. Let's do it. What do you guys think? And then he thinks we're going to pull back to 9,500 again. This market's obviously more fun when everybody's making a ton of money. Everybody's in a good mood. Coinbase announces Tezos staking rewards for 4 European countries. A lot of people reach out to me and they ask me about what staking, what it is. You know, it essentially validates the transactions on the blockchain with coins that are in wallets. And so there's quite a few different coins that you can stake. Tezos is obviously one of them. Zilliqa is adding. There's a ton of different coins you can stake. Dash, obviously. So Energy is also a coin that I've talked to you guys about quite a few times in the past. And Energy is something that you can stake. You know, they have master nodes. Now you need 1,000 Energy to run a master node. Master nodes pay out the highest amount, as much as 33% return on investment. So huge payouts for these master nodes. But they have staking opportunities. If you don't want to run a master node and you're not able to, you can also stake their coins. Then you can go through here and you can look at Energy staking rewards in comparison to Atom, Dash, Tezos, Tron, EOS. Energy pays out right now 23% for staking. That means you have it in your wallet, you leave your computer on, and it validates transactions based on the coins in your wallet, and you get paid out. Again, this changes depending on how many people are staking their coins. They also have a reward calculator over here at Nexus Energy Network. Recently, Energy upgraded their smart contracts platform. It's called Gen 3. Combines the ability to develop smart contracts and decentralized applications. Again, self-funding treasury is huge. And so they have a ton of money that they can use to grow the project, you know, for marketing, development, and whatnot. And they're very open to show, hey, this is the treasury history. This is where all our money is going. Here's what's happening with the money. They've got a YouTube channel, Energy, decent amount of subscribers. Energy is on Kucoin, and Energy soft staking is available. So this pays out between about 5 and 7%. So not quite as much as holding the coins offline in your own personal wallet. However, if you're a holder, this is another stream of income or revenue. You know, everybody likes to have another source of income. The most important part about staking is you need to enter you need to buy the coin at the right time, right? You got to buy at the bottom. If you try to stake a coin and you buy at the top, you're obviously it's not going to be good, right? So you want to get in at the bottom. So this is Energy Rain. They have a Discord where actually it rains down their coins. I got a lot of people asking me about this chart. So this is a previous chart where you had an Adam and Eve double bottom, and you can see after the breakout you had a pretty big run up. Probably 40% after the run up. Now it's trending lower, but there is a broadening wedge. So this 68% chance of a break to the upside. Major crypto assets are preparing for powerful volatility against Bitcoin. They're actually saying, hey, some of these altcoins are looking weak. And now we go to Bitcoin dominance. It's like, hey, words are great, but I want to see the charts. And so you can see the tractor beam season, altcoin season. One thing that's important is you get these huge run-ups and then pullbacks, huge run-up, pullback. And a lot of times this changes the direction of the trend. You can see there's this huge, crazy wick up here, right? And essentially the altcoins got hit pretty hard. But now the Bitcoin dominance is headed lower again. So you just keep on headed lower. You just have to remember, like if you want to, on a day-to-day basis, see, hey, how are the altcoins trading right now? Are they easy to trade? Are they harder to trade? Like when this is trending higher, altcoins don't move as well. We're in the green altcoin season. This is a little mini altcoin season. Don't be like, hit me up in the comments and be like, Chris, this is not altcoin season. Look, go to Binance. There is a list of double-digit green coins. You can call it what you want. You call it Altcoin Christmas. We're just going to rename it. Altcoin Christmas. 'Tis the season. Okay, so before you hit me up in the comments and say, Chris, this is not altcoin season. Look, 44%, 39%, 18, 17, 17, 16, 16, 16, 14, 13, 12, 12, 11, 11, 10, 10, 10. There's a page of double-digit green altcoins. If you are not trading altcoins right now, what are you doing? I'm just curious. Like, I understand being a holder. Hold some green coins. Here, hold some green coins, right? I'm telling you guys, like this is the easiest money you're going to make in crypto. Do not miss this opportunity. Amazon patents blockchain-based product authenticator. Okay, let me try to talk to you guys and be really blunt. Don't fall in love with these projects. Why? If you have the idea like, hey, I'm going to hold this project and I'm going to be mega rich. In 5 years, it's going to be the best thing ever. You know what? Amazon is competing against our space. Amazon is a kingmaker of e-commerce and shipping. They've patented this distributed ledger-based system for proving the authenticity of consumer goods. Not like any ideas in crypto, any cryptocurrency projects proving the authenticity of consumer goods. Any of them? How are they going to be realistic here? How are they going to compete with Amazon? Get your money, make your money, take your profits, right? Don't fall in love with these coins. Look at this. This investor pours $150 million into Goldman Sachs. Remember, Goldman Sachs, aka I hate on Bitcoin. They had a whole client call on Bitcoin and how they thought it was way too volatile and they're not interested in it. But now an investor poured $150 million into them because they're building a global money platform for big tech innovators. So this is a company called Marqeta, right? It's backed by Goldman Sachs. They have these configurable payment cards. This company has clients like DoorDash, Instacart, Uber, and Square. Have we heard of any of those? Anyone? Any of those? So the founder came out and said, we are building a single global platform to define and power the future of money for the world's leading innovators. Again, the mainstream we want so badly to adopt us is our biggest competition. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, definitely subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.